Hello guys! In today's video I'd like to show you a fun idea on how to make a mini drill. It will fit for working with circuit boards or other small jobs, as the drill itself will not be too strong. Well, for our drill we will need a power supply. I will use my LED tape power supply. It has 12 volts and 2 amps. We also need one socket, as I'm going to use it sometimes with our drill and sometimes with LED tape. We also need one plastic fitting, a switch, one wire connector, PVC pipe, a small 9-volt motor and some wires. First, we need to solder 2 wires to the motor. To begin with, we should apply some flux onto the wires. After that, we solder the switch to the motor and then connect a separate wire to the switch. It has 4 contacts, so first we should find the active ones. To do that, we switch the multimeter to resistance mode and check. After soldering the switch, we connect the wires to the socket. Now we plug it in and determine our motor's rotation direction. All's okay, it rotates clockwise. In case if your motor rotates counterclockwise, just change the polarity of the wires. So guys, as you might have guessed, we will settle it in a kind of a casing. To do so, we hit the plastic fitting with a heat gun, and then we assemble all the parts. If needed, you may unsolder the wires and then connect them back afterwards. Well guys and girls, our mini drill is ready. We just need to add an improvised chuck. As we did our build on a budget, we will have to do without a normal drill chuck and substitute it with a simple wire connector. Of course, there can be some vibration, but it will not be critical. We screw one screw onto the shaft of the motor. And the second one onto the drill bit. Now the power supply. Time to test it. And without a doubt, everything works perfectly. Of course, there is some vibration, and the motor is not too strong. But I think it will do for something small, like working with a circuit board or some light engraving/drilling. Well, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching, and give that like button some love. See you in the next video. Пока-пока. Did you know? Lance Abernethy, a hobbyist from New Zealand, created one of the smallest fully functional electrical drills with the help of a 3D printer. The instrument's dimensions are 17 mm in height, 7.5 mm in width, and 13 mm in length.